What is yield? One of the most important topic to be learned when it comes to bonds. Yield refers to the total amount earned by an investor if the investor could hold the particular bond till the maturity or get called. The difference between coupon and yield is that coupon refers to stated the fixed interest rate payable each year, while the yield refers to the actual return an investor earns from holding that bond for a year. Yield can be changed over the time, but coupon remains fixed. Let's understand this relationship between bond price and yield. The bond yield and the bond price have an inverse relationship. When the price of the bond goes up, the yield reduces and vice versa. Let me explain you with an example. If a bond is sold at $100 and pays $5 as a coupon amount, its yield is 5%. When the price of a bond goes up, its yield goes down and vice versa. Let's say if the same bond is now being sold at $105, its yield would be somewhere around 4.76, and the same applies the other way around. If the price of that bond drops to 95, its yield would go more than 5. A bond yield depends upon the current price or face value of the bond. It also depends upon the risk capacity of a particular bond. Like higher risk, higher will be the yield and vice versa. Typically, if you are looking to invest in a bond, you will look for bonds with low prices and consequently higher yields. Conversely, if you are looking to sell a bond, instead you may likely wait for an opportunity where the price of the bond is high, so you can cash out with greater gains and yields. For more such interesting content, do follow my page.